that? Is that the bike? It's so tiny. Alright, look at that. Oh, look at him go. I love it. I love this thing. Oh, it needs air in the tires. Probably gonna start from the back going forward, just because it's gonna be probably easier for me to do. That's broken, so I don't have to worry about that. Next thing we got to do is the battery. Ended up picking this from Amazon. This is a lithium ion. I kid you not, guys, this thing is lighter than the mallet. There's a battery in here, and I promise you, but it's lighter than the mallet. Pretty cool, pretty cheap. I'll put the link down in the description below so you guys can check it out too. But apparently it fits, and it's really tiny. It's cute. Like seriously, that's how light it is. I don't know. I can't express it enough how light this thing is. Here, pals, feel it. Compare it to the mallet. What's heavier?
Wow. No, you sure it's a real battery or just plastic?
This might be just empty. No, it's a real battery, guys. It has a little gauge on here that says test. And if I press the button, you can see it light up. See? Oh. Tells you how much battery is in there. The only thing that sucks is that it has this... It's not like a screw into the terminal type of thing. It's more of a... No, you have to put like a nut and bolt type of scenario. You give everybody in New York one good day, they go crazy. Everything comes out. Alright, so you got these two little nut and bolt type of scenarios going on here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I just take this and I slide this in here, this should be long enough to catch it. Let's hope. And we shall assume. You have a screwdriver there? Yeah, look at that, we're fine. Alright, so battery's in. Put this bracket back on. If I figured out how I took it off. Yeah, Pop's got it. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I do not know what I'm doing. That's what this random 10mm was for. I'm just gonna zap this on with the gun. Pop's gun. Alright. And the next thing we're gonna do is... What's next, Dad? The seat? Where the seat at? Alright, the seat's here. And this seat's supposed to just go on like this. There we go. That's it there. Alright, there's another screw. But what I don't want to do is use a silver screw somewhere where you can see it. Use a black screw where it's black. Put a silver screw where it's not visible. No, it's not. I got another silver screw. I don't get it. Where are these silver screws coming from? What did we take off else? Why do we have extra screws then? What else did we take off that we have extra screws from? These two are the battery. We have 2 extra screws on these 2 caps. Oh, these caps are here. Okay, where do 2 screws come from? We got 2 extra screws, Dad. Where do they come from? One's silver. Well, 2 is silver and 1 is black. A little bit of a random black, but I know this is a body screw. Oh, unless this one goes here. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, never mind. Guys, we're fine. We didn't miss out any screws. Alright guys, Pops pulled out the bike. Now, moment of truth, Dad. Go ahead. See if it starts. Make sure it's not in gear. I heard gas in the tank, so it should work. Alright, keys on. Ooh, look at that. We got power. Shows that it's in neutral. Some lights just kicked on. Alright, Dad, crank her over. Ooh, I hear the fuel pump. That sounds good. Come on, yeah! Nice! We're on, baby. It's so quiet. I was expecting like a lot of noise.
I just hear the ones in the Bronx.
Oh yeah, these things can get real loud. Yeah. Nice. It is alive, guys. Look at that. Taillights and everything's there. We got no gas, and we got no way to open this gas tank yet. We'll figure it out, don't worry. And we're gonna have Pops open that gate while I take this dirty rag, and I'm gonna clean the seat off while I have my Pops go open the gate. This looks awesome. There you go, he's gonna use glass cleaner to clean the seat. Actually, not a bad idea, but it's leather. We're gonna have to condition it afterwards, but at least we'll clean it really good. Full disclaimer, guys. Full disclaimer, guys. Just because Pops do it doesn't always mean it's a good idea or it's smart, so you don't do it either. Do it only if you know what you're doing. Alright, there's that. Alright, so we're gonna go take it for a test ride. We're gonna see how well it performs. It doesn't have much gas, so we're not gonna go too far. It also doesn't have plates on it, but we're just gonna see how it works. And yeah, today marks a good day for us. We got it running. Looks awesome. See how it works. Yep, you hear that? You hear the beast? Oh, it's excited and it's running and it's ready to go. Alright, I'm coming. Check that out. That looks pretty awesome. That looks fun. Don't kill yourself. I'm not balling. Jeez, this thing is tiny. Look at sounds like it's about to die because there's no gas in here. Jeez, this looks fun. Look at the suspension droop. Not saying anything, Pops, but you know. Alright, look at that. Oh, look at him go. I love it. I love this thing. Oh, it needs air in the tires. Success, guys. It's working and it looks awesome. Probably gonna run out of gas on him. Oh, I see him stumbling. He's just stumbling in the corner. He put both feet down. He needs his helmet on. What is that? Oh, he got ran off the road by another vehicle. Nah, I want to go ride it. Looks fun. How's it, Pops? Yeah, was it fun? Yeah.
This is cool.
Nice. You can learn on this pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
How's it feel? Stable?
Yeah, it feels stable, but
anything weird?
yeah, you gotta watch out the throttle.
What's wrong with the throttle?
You know, if you turn too hard, it goes.
I mean, you know, that's what you want.
Yeah.
Jeez, this looks fun. I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna come outside after hearing it, but alright, my turn, guys. Let's see if I remember how to ride a bike.
You look cool.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, that is wrong when looking at.
Oh my gosh, it feels like a Harley.
Right, your turn. I win.
Do you shift gear with it too?
Yeah, the first gear only.
You look like you did a lot of stupid things. I love it. I need. Jeez, this thing is awesome. I told you guys, as soon as you start revving it up, we're gonna attract somebody else, and there he is. That thing makes me laugh. I can see why people say the Groms are fun. Look at him. He doesn't even know there's no gas in there. It's almost out of gas too. And the back tires are low in the air. But that's awesome! That thing is so wicked! I am crying because it's cold.
4-speed, right?
I am crying because it's cold. I think it's 4-speed, yeah. I'm crying because it's cold and the window's in my face.
The never came 5 or are they new
I don't know. Maybe the
5?
new ones came 5.
2021.
Yeah. I don't know. But that thing is a blast to ride. Look how far he went. He went like 2 blocks away. I don't hear it. He probably doesn't have his phone on him. If anything, the battery died. No, the battery didn't die.
No,
It ran out of gas. Why would I say the battery died? Oh, it's moving. This is him. This is him. He's just.
No, the gas showing what
He can't handle.
The engine too at the small quick.
He can't handle the Grom power. That's what happened. The Grom power is too much. Look at this flyby. What are your thoughts?
It's awesome. Clutch, gotta adjust.
No, I think it's fine.
Need some gas. That's about it.
He wants to make they're doing nothing.
No, the clutch.
There's nothing wrong with the clutch.
Yeah, that.
And I think
I called
you need an oil change too, I think.
Why?
I called.
Why?
I don't know, I feel like the clutch is too light. Or something.
What are you guys expecting out of it? It's a 125. What clutch are you expecting? This thing is awesome. It's so fun. I can see why people are like, get a Grom. Once you get it, you'll see why you'll like it.
Yeah, but this Grom is tuned by Yoshimura.
That's a Yoshi. It's the Yoshi, number 54 Yoshi.
Don't bike him.
Alright, well, that's pretty much the last thing that we gotta figure out. And after that, should be good to go. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Super excited, super pumped for having the bike working. While they continue to play on that, there's a super secret announcement for it. And you're gonna find out that in the next video. It's pretty cool. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, without getting into too much details, if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like videos like these too, let me know down in the comments. You know, any feedback is appreciated. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys. Later. I totally messed that one up again. Go away. Why would the sides the trust?
Here, recording.